style dish today, and it can even be used as dumpling filling.
This home-style dish is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly delicious, making it perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Black fungus stir-fried with eggs and shredded carrots is a nutritious home-style dish. It provides a good balance of protein, vitamins, and dietary fiber. This simple yet wholesome combination is both delicious and beneficial for your health. Ingredients: black fungus, eggs, shiitake mushrooms, carrot. Peel and cut carrot into strips. Mushrooms sliced and set aside. Black fungus washed clean. Remove the hard part of the root, then shred and set aside. Let's beat some eggs. All ingredients are ready. First, stir-fry the eggs until cooked, then chop and set aside. Add some salt and pepper to the eggs to give them a base flavor. Stir-fry the shiitake mushrooms, shredded carrot, and shredded black fungus. Seasoning: 1 tsp oyster sauce, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp sugar, 1 tsp pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons water if necessary. Toss in fried egg and mix all ingredients together. Done in no time, a sizzling plate of scrambled eggs with wood ear mushrooms and shiitake is ready to serve. This home-style dish is easy to make, and it pairs perfectly with rice, congee, or even as a filling for steamed buns. Once cooled, it can be directly used to make dumplings, super convenient. This stir-fry with shiitake mushrooms, eggs, black fungus, and shredded carrots boasts a complex flavor profile. The eggs contribute a rich aroma and soft texture, while the shiitake mushrooms and black fungus provide a distinctive umami taste. The natural sweetness from the shredded carrots perfectly balances the overall flavor, making the dish both harmonious and appetizing. Nutritionally, this dish represents a model of balanced eating. Eggs deliver high-quality protein, black fungus is packed with dietary fiber and iron, shiitake mushrooms contain immunity-boosting polysaccharides, and carrots serve as an excellent source of vitamin A. Overall, this dish achieves a perfect combination of taste and health. Its simple cooking method preserves the natural flavors and nutrients of the ingredients, making it an ideal choice for family meals that supports overall wellness. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.